going on, y'all? It is Chris with pennies1000.com doing yet another video on this app Fetch Rewards. You see here my daily reward was 3,000 points and I got 25 points for just scanning the receipt. So I'm going to show you how this works. If you'll see here, I go to the home page. You'll see at the top that timer going down. That's for when I get my next daily reward. So my first one was 3,000 points. So, we'll see what I get in the next 24 hours. But that's a lot of points for a daily reward. And I'm going to show you what those points can accumulate to. Now, on this app, you get paid to take pictures of your receipt, but you can also get paid even more points for, particular brands that you buy. So they have different things in different categories that you can choose from, different beverages. If you buy any of these brands, they're going to, add you even more points. Going down, to frozen food, different ones. I mean, there's something for every, different category on here. A lot of things you can buy. And like I said, you're going to get a minimum of 25 points for any receipt. But when you buy these certain things, it really does make the points jump up. So, I mean, like I said, there's lots of different things you can choose from on here. If you buy certain things on here that they have on here, like, these things in baby section, the bakery, you'll see the amount of points you can get for that. They're in the thousands. So, I mean, you really can make a lot of points just, looking and seeing what's on the app as far as the brands and what particular items they're asking you to buy. So that's how that goes. And as far as what you can do with the points, here's the reward section. They had different retail gift cards you can choose from, starting at about 4,800 points. And you saw my daily reward was 3,000. So, I mean, you can really get there in no time. So these are different retail stores you can go to. They also have different restaurants you can choose from. And really the minimum to cash out on this app is $5. That's the restaurants. They have cash cards, the Visa gas card or cash card. I'm sorry, $5, 7,000 points. They have travel that you can choose from. Buy different flights, Airbnbs, things like that. So there's something on here for everybody, and the points really do accumulate fast when you're getting your daily bonus, your daily reward. You're taking pictures of receipts with specific brands, things like that. So I just want to do a quick video on this app. Like I said, any receipt that you get, just take a picture of it. You're gonna get a minimum of 25 points. But when you start doing the daily reward every day, buying certain products, you really be cashing out at the very minimum like 2 times a week. So I just want to leave the link to it in the description. Sign up, get paid to buy specific brands, and scan your receipts. And always remember, every penny counts. If you're interested in making even more money, I highly encourage you guys to visit my website, pennies1000.com. That way you can see all the free websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you want to make some real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I can teach you the very easy steps that anybody can do. All you have to do is book a session with the link below.